Welcome in. Allow yourself to get comfortable in a seated position with your spine tall and straight, carrying integrity in our spine. What does it feel like to hold integrity in your spine? Breathe in deep down in your belly. Hold, release. Letting all the air go. Allowing yourself to gently rock forward and back, forward and back. Prayerfully, you are in a place where you can see outside and see the shape of the moon today. Not just the shape, but see the color, the bright glow of the moon right above you if you're able to sit right in front of the moon. Allow that to be our focus point for today. Focusing on the clarity of the moon and the power she holds to control the waters. Rising your hands so that they are facing the moon. Your palms are facing the moon. Feel a slight stretch in your forearms. Breathing into your belly deep. Breathe in deep. Hold and release. Allowing yourself to center here. Feeling the power of the moon. That light shining upon you. Going deep into your palms. Breathing in the power of this light as you gently rock forward and back, still with your hands raised towards the moon. Breathing gently. Now we will pray. If your arms are hurting, you can relax them. You can lower them. They don't have to be so stretched. And just continue to face your palms towards the moon. God, Spirit, angels, ancestors, we come to you today under the light of this beautiful moon. As this moon shines over our bodies, we ask that you watch over our bodies. Cleanse our bodies with this beautiful power of this light. As we approach the second full moon of this year, as this is the second full moon in our 30-day cycle. As we start here on day 28, we thank you for what's to come. We thank you for this cleansing, the powerful, powerful energy of the moon that controls our waters which are our emotions, our waters which are the force that calms us, that brings us to peace, that cleanses us, and that feeds us. Thank you for these waters. Thank you for our power. Thank you for the magic that is within us. Gently rolling your neck. Thank you, God, for bringing us to the moon. Thank you, moon. Thank you for your power. Thank you for cleansing me, removing all that is not of my pure essence, sending away all of the thoughts and beliefs that do not serve me, returning prayers and thoughts to senders, allowing me, my mind, my spirit to be made clean and new. Thank you, God, for this day. Now gently rocking in a circular motion in one direction. Continuing to breathe. Feeling the flow. Now going the opposite direction. Continue to breathe. Okay, now gently rocking in other positions. If it's side to side, just opening yourself up here and remembering to breathe. Practices like this remind you when you go into your everyday life and things are moving, breathe. That it's still okay to breathe. That you don't have to hold in your breath just because you're walking. Inhale deep. Hold and release. Continuing to rock. Continuing to move. And just remembering every time I say breathe, breathing in deep as you continue that same movement and you release. Still in that movement, okay? Continue to move. If you're going back and forth, switching to round in a circle or side to side, really allowing your body to be loose here. Inhale deep, still in motion, and release. Okay? Going in the opposite direction. You're just going in. Inhale deep, hold, and release. Gently arching your spine, allowing for a deep curvature in your spine. Stretching your hands out in front of you. Reach as you extend that vertebra. Your whole vertebral column stretching, elongating. Breathe in deep. Hold. Release. If your eyes were closed like mine were, deep in practice, opening them and allowing them to look into the moon. And just taking some time here to continue to breathe. Place your hand over your belly if you need to, and just allow yourself to rub your belly gently as a reminder to keep breathing. So if you are in gentle movement and you forget to breathe, center yourself on that movement of your hand and remind yourself it's okay to breathe while you look into the light of the moon. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Looking into the moon. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Into the moon. Just reminding yourself to breathe here as you look into the moon. As you gaze into the moon, feel her healing powers wash over your body, wash over your mind, wash over your soul. You are cleansed. Breathing into that power. I am healed. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am cleansed. I am free. I am cleansed. I am wealthy. I am new. I am new. Breathe in deep. I am healed. I am healthy. I am healthy. Breathe in deep. I am healthy. Continuing a gentle rock. I am healthy. Looking into the moon. I Breathe in deep. Release. Moving your body as it needs. Taking, releasing breaths. Breathing, relaxing. Allowing gentle movement, twisting your upper body, stretching your arms, arching and curving your back. Just allowing for some gentle movement of your spine. Breathing through the movements. Taking as long as you need here to really stretch out that spine. Through these practices, always allowing yourself to be free. If it's an audible sound that needs to come out, letting that out. If it's just movement, if it's a scream, if it's a cry, whatever it is, the body keeps score. Even if you're trying your hardest not to let it out, your body remembers. Your body keeps score. So in these practices, allow your body to be free. Allow your body to move and release and let go of whatever it needs to. Okay, so be free with yourself. This is a safe space here for you to relax and let go. Breathe and release. Once you have moved enough and opened yourself up enough, centering back into stillness, looking up at the night sky, seeing the beautiful moon in front of you, feeling the tingling sensation of your body that has just experienced movement and release. Feeling that in conjunction with the healing power of the moon. Taking a moment to feel how it feels, how you feel. From mind to body, how do you feel? Coming back into this moment, remembering that you can always stop and continue at any moment. If you'd like to stop and just continue to breathe and look at the moon before ending your practice, feel free to do that. If you're ready to come to a close, sitting up straight, raising our arms out as we inhale, raising them up, inhale deep. Hold as you reach at the top. Release, coming down in prayer pose. Bowing your head. Thanking yourself for this practice. Thank you for joining me. I pray that your body is relaxed, not only in this moment, but for the rest of the day, and tomorrow and all the days to come. I pray that your heart stays open to receiving, so that when people offer to you, you say yes, thank you, and you take what you like. I pray that you're open to hearing the words that are meant for you to hear. I pray that your heart stays open to love and the possibilities of how love might find you wherever you are. I pray that as you move through the end of this lunar cycle and reach the full moon, that all the seeds that you have planted since the start of this year and the end of last year are able to come into full bloom in this chapter. I pray that you receive the gifts that you have prayed for with open arms and with wisdom that's able to carry that which you have requested. A wisdom that allows you to use that gift that you are being given in its highest accord, in light and with love, the love that it has been crafted to give you, that you stay open to receiving and giving that love to the world. I pray that this life only continues to get better for you and all those you love. I pray that this practice brought you a bit of ease, and I pray that we will again meet with ease. I thank you for joining me. Peace to you. I see you.